1 cup split fava beans soaked in water for 8 hours, and 1 small onion, chopped and 2 cloves garlic, crushed and 1 4 cup chopped parsley and a quarter cup chopped fresh coriander and 1 teaspoon ground cumin and 2 teaspoon chili powder. Optional. And salt to taste and 1 2 teaspoon baking powder and oil for frying. Steps. And 1. Prepare the fava beans. After soaking, drain the beans well. 2. Blend the ingredients in a food processor. Add the split fava beans, onion, garlic, parsley, coriander, cumin, chili powder, and salt. Blend until you achieve a smooth mixture. 3. Shape the tahini. Use your hands to form small balls or patties from the mixture. 4. Fry. Heat oil in a deep pan over medium heat. Fry the tahini balls until golden and crispy on the outside, about 4 to 5 minutes on each side. 5. Serve. Place the tahini on paper towels to drain excess oil. You can serve it with bread, salad, or tahini. Tips. And you can add some spices like black pepper or chili according to taste. Make sure to heat the oil well before frying to ensure the tahini is crispy. Enjoy your Egyptian tahini.